All right, guys, all day long we've been working to do this, right? Yes. It seems like an eternity ago that we were digging a hole and then bringing in the rock and everything else, but this is my favorite part, plugging in the waterfall. So Colleen, go ahead, let's see what this baby looks like. Whoa! So of course it takes a little bit of time. Plugging in, that water is being sucked into the skimmer. We're gonna drop the water level of the pond just a little bit. That's why we have the hose running. We lose a little bit of water in the pond to fill up that biofalls over there. So as that biofalls fills up, you're gonna see the water level in the pond go down just a touch. And here it comes, slowly coming over. Keep your fingers crossed and we hope it looks good. Nice. I love the way it actually comes far over on that gray rock. So no matter what it looks like now, you still have the opportunity to tweak it a little bit. So we can come in, we can add some pieces of gravel, we can get that water to move a little bit further to the left. We could stop it from splashing and stuff. So Ed, why don't we go up there? We can see like that little horsetail thing coming off on the left. I think we want to move a little bit more of the water off the biofalls to come to the left. So we always have a couple extra pieces of big gravel, a couple other large rocks, and we can get in here and tweak it. All right, so we're tweaking the waterfall. Ed's actually taking that foam and he's pushing it down as much as he possibly can because we see the opportunity to let a little bit of water trickle around the side of the rock over there, which will look incredible. To me, even make it look that much more natural. The other thing he did is he added these two little pieces of gravel here. So if I take these away, you'll see a lot more water comes over on this side, and this looks a little thinner. If I block this off, this gets slower and this gets thicker. So we can really kind of change the direction. If I wanted to put another rock here, I could do that, causing more water to come over that rock on our right. Imagine this rock being gone, and then this water recedes back a little bit. This is something we actually like to show all of our customers and how they can tweak it and make it exactly the way they want to by adding a couple rocks here or there. The one thing you want to be mindful of, you can't put too many rocks across this, because if I add too many rocks here, watch what the water does in the biofalls behind me. It builds up, it builds up, it builds up. It creates a dam and it could leak. I release the dam. And there we go. So we never want to create too much of a dam in here because we could develop a leak. I love the way this looks. More important, I love the sound of it all. I think it looks great. The only thing we really have left to do, minus the cleanup and everything else, add some decoration. So I think for you guys, we're going to landscape this whole thing and show you what this pond looks like at its fullest potential.